If you are looking for simple and easy ways to sell your products and services, WhatsApp is the platform to do that. In this video, I want to share with you 2 smart ways you can sell whatever it is you're selling on WhatsApp without spending a lot of money. Now, my name is Chiamaka, and all I do in this channel is to help you see the knowledge and skills you have that can be monetized. Things you can do to make money on the side. If this is your first time being here, welcome to my channel. I'm super excited to have you here. Then if you're a returning viewer, you know I love you. Thanks for stopping by again. Now, if this sounds like something you're interested in, consider subscribing to my channel because I teach you how to make money on this channel. Let's dive straight in. 2 smart ways you can make money selling your products and services on WhatsApp. Now, the first question is, why sell on WhatsApp? Why use WhatsApp to sell? There are so many reasons. First of all is that WhatsApp is the most popular messaging platform with a presence in more than 100 countries. Now, 9 out of every 10 person out there that has smartphone uses WhatsApp. Another reason is because WhatsApp is the 3rd largest platform on earth. After Facebook and YouTube, you have WhatsApp. So a lot of people are using WhatsApp. Now, people feel at home using WhatsApp because it's not expensive, it's cheaper to use, and it doesn't cost a lot to do that. It also makes for personal connection and privacy. So people actually believe that when you give them your WhatsApp contact, they have this feeling that whatever you are selling is genuine for you to give them their WhatsApp contact. And they can easily reach out to you anytime, any day. That is why it's very important you start selling on WhatsApp. A lot of people go on their WhatsApp like 10, 20 times before the day ends. So it's something you can easily use. So if you've not started using WhatsApp, selling on WhatsApp, at the end of this video, you are going to learn exactly how you can do that. All right. So 2 ways you can sell on WhatsApp. The first one is to sell on WhatsApp status. The second one is to sell using group training, where you host training and then you make a lot of sales at the end of the training. Now, first one, which is selling using WhatsApp status. When it comes to selling on WhatsApp status, the most important thing that determines how fast you sell and how often you get sales is the number of contacts you have. So you should spend time growing your contact. Aim to grow your contact, because more contacts you get, more views you get, and then that's more sales you get. So the more contacts you build, the greater your views, your status views, and then that also gives you greater chances of selling to so many people. Now, how do you grow your WhatsApp contacts? There are 3 ways you can do that. The first one is manual or organic method. Now, this is where you reach out to people, you give them your contacts, you exchange contacts with them, they save your number, you save theirs, and then once your number is saved in their contacts, they can view your status each time you upload them. Now, there are pros and cons to this. First is that if you are using manual strategy to grow your contact, it is very effective because you are going to get your target audience. You decide who to give your contact or who to collect from. But it has a downside, which means it's very slow to grow. You can imagine having to talk to 100 people just to get their contact, and then you have to save it again one after the other. So it's so slow to grow, and it's also very stressful. Now, the second way to grow your contact is to use WhatsApp TV. That's also another way you can make money on WhatsApp. Now, WhatsApp TV is about people who have spent time to grow their contact. They now have hundreds and thousands of views on their status. They have gathered massive number of contacts, and when they upload their status, when they upload pictures or anything on their status, a lot of people view those uploads. Now, people now pay those people to advertise their businesses on their status. It is a great way to make money. So if it's actually something you can consider, creating and growing your contacts, that you have lots of hundreds and thousands of status views, then people pay you to advertise their business for them on your status. And it's a great way of generating a lot of money for you. Now, you doing your business this way means you can actually pay people who have grown their contact list to that hundreds and thousands of views. You pay them to advertise your business on their status. Now, there's also a downside to this, which means you can actually pay them to advertise, and it ends up that they don't have your target audience. Because you do not know how they manage to grow their contact list to that much view, those people that view those contacts might not be your target audience. If, for example, you are advertising, you want your customers, you're advertising to pregnant women, and then such people might have maybe 70 to 80% of people that view their status to be children or teenagers or people that are even not women. So at the end of the day, you will pay them, but there's no guarantee that the people that will see the adverts you're running on their status are your target audience. Okay. Now, the third way to grow your WhatsApp contact list is through Facebook ads. It's a great way to do that, but of course, it's not free. So you can actually run a Facebook ad and direct the traffic to your WhatsApp. This is an easy way to grow your contact list. This way you target your audience, advertisement that actually get the attention of your target audience. When they love what you are doing, what you are selling, they click on the link that directs them to your WhatsApp, where you get their contacts. Now, if you are going to use the number 2 and number 3 strategy, it is very important you create a WhatsApp link and share with them. Don't make the mistake of putting your number there, because when people click on that link, they see your number. Not a good number of people will have the patience of copying your number down, then going to search you on WhatsApp. But if you create a link, a clickable link, when people see what you're doing, they love it. They simply click on the link. It will simply direct them to your WhatsApp, where they become friends. You save their contact, and then you can always advertise to them. So here is a link on the screen you are going to see. If you want to create a WhatsApp link, a clickable link for yourself, you are going to just to create it, you just need to type in https://was.me/your number. If you create it this way, it becomes a clickable link. When people click on it, they can easily go to your WhatsApp without having to copy your number down and then going to save it. All right, so let's move on. When you get their contact, what do you do? When you get a contact, whether you are growing it manually or through the paid ads, you need to ask them to save your number. This is very important. People don't get to see your status updates unless they save your contact. So you need to keep, urge them to save your number in their phone. Also tell them that when they save your number, they should let you know so you too can save theirs. This way, they are more open to saving your number, and when they save the number, they can easily see the status you upload, the adverts you are running on your status, and then when they are ready to buy, they will buy from you. Now, the second step is to be genuinely interested in them. There's this saying that we don't care how much you know until we know how much you care. You really have to show that you are interested in people, or at least fake it, pretend to be interested in them. People are not going to give you money. People are not going to buy from you until they know you care for them. So it's not about the sales, buy. It's about you showing interest in them, build a relationship with them, show them that you care. This way, they see that you are different from every other person. You are not entirely out there to get their money. You are interested in who they are, in their situation as a person, before being interested in the money they will pay you. Then the last one here, the number 3, is also to view their status and comment on them. See, people connect with those that truly show they care. So one way you can do that is to, view their own status and then drop meaningful comments that they know you viewed their status. This way, they are open to reciprocating. If she viewed my status, let me see what she has. And then by seeing what you have, the person is going to buy from you if it really addresses their problem. Now, before we move on to the next one, I want to quickly ask you, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscription button below. It's a way of supporting the channel and then, giving that morale to move on. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you get notified each time I publish new videos. All right, so let's move on. How to get the sales. Now you've gotten the contact, you've shown them that you love them, you cared, and then you've also saved their numbers. What next do? You need to be real. You need to be friendly. Don't appear salesy. Like I said, when people are out there saying, come and buy, buy. No, you appear spammy. Don't spam people because nobody wants to buy. And when you are out there to always saying, come and buy, it becomes irritating. When I know that if I view your status today, I'm going to see buy. Tomorrow, I'm going to see buy. Next day, I'm going to see buy, without even educating me, without even, doing something that will spark my curiosity, that will make me interested in that. I will most likely skip viewing your status. So you want to be helpful, you want to be friendly, you don't want to always talk about sales. As a matter of fact, there are smarter ways of selling without telling people to buy. When you educate people so much on something that you open their eyes to something they didn't know before now, they would always see you as an expert. And whenever they have need for that, they will always come to you for it. So you want to do education-based marketing. It is a perfect way to connect with target audience and then convince them that you are the right person to buy from. That will also include you teaching them what they didn't know about the situation, finding a way to paint the future for them, showing them that your product or your service is the gap between where they are and where they want to be. This way you increase the chances of their buying the product from you. So the next step is to use lots of images and short, thoughtful videos. Very important. Videos and images get more attention than text. Now, I'm not saying don't use text, but you want to mix it. Use a lot of thoughtful videos. There are some videos or images you will see, just the graphic alone will pass the message more than text. So you want to create images and videos that are very thoughtful, that are very engaging, and sometimes entertaining. This way, people, you pass the knowledge without even speaking to them. They have this desire to know what next you have to upload. When people expect your next upload, when you eventually introduce a product, you are most likely going to make sales. So don't just go there, be boring, create content. And in case you need how to create pictures and images or videos, there's a platform that allows you to do that absolutely free. It gives you free templates. So all you do on the platform is you are going to go there, just see already designed product images, service images. You simply change the color, upload your own, change the images there, put something you want, you download it all for free. Now, if you want to know about it, check the description of this video. I added the link to that. You don't have to pay anybody to do that. This way, you will spend a lot of money paying graphic designers to design images for you. That's what all of us, content creators, what we use to save time and save money. So check the description of this video for a link to just register yourself and start creating your own images without spending a lot of money. Now, the next one is to update your status consistently to stay top of mind. Now, there's something about YouTube algorithm. If you are not consistently uploading your content on your status, it will be pressed down. Those that are more consistent have their content on top. So you want to create an upload on your status from time to time. So you will always be top of mind. This way, whenever they come on WhatsApp, they see your status, and the more they see status you upload, the more open they are to buying from you. Then share testimonials and sales numbers. This is a great way to skyrocket your sales. Share testimonials. Some people do not buy things until they are convinced that others are already buying it. So you want to share testimonials of people that have used your product in the past and gotten results from it. You want to, if you're comfortable, you can also share number of sales, how much you've made. This way, people get to know that, yes, this thing works. And if people use it and got results and testify, it's also going to work for me. So they are more open to buying from you, knowing that so many other people are buying from you. Some people do not buy until they are convinced that they are not the first to make payments. So this way, you are going to, break that thing from happening. You are going to let them know that you're already selling and people are getting results. Now, you also want to offer free stuff whenever you can. A lot of us human beings are wired that way. We love freebies. So we are attracted to that brand that gives something. We want to see what they have. Sometimes these things are not even expensive. They don't cost you anything to offer. Now, it could be a free PDF that they can download. It could be a free ebook. It could be images, depending on the product you are selling. There are so many free things that won't cost you anything to offer them. Just mentioning free on your content gets up to 50% attention because people want to know how they will get this free. So there are so many ways you can do this. You can actually do some sales, use sales strategies, sales and marketing strategies like buy two, get one free, or buy between now and 4 p.m. today, get 50% discount, buy this one now and get the other one free. When you buy this product, I'm going to give the other service for you free. Pay for this and I'm going to give you 30 minutes consultation and all that. These are sales and marketing strategies you can use to make a lot of sales on WhatsApp. Then lastly is to ask for referrals from your customers. Now reach out to your customers who you have used your product or your service and they're satisfied. Ask them to refer you to their friends, because if they use the product, loved it, chances are that their family and friends, people on their list or in their cycle are going to love it too. So let them reach out to their friends, spread the good news. They can also share it on their social media. This way you get massive reach. You can actually reach a lot of people as soon as possible. Now that's all on how to sell using your WhatsApp status. Now, if the next one is to sell using Facebook groups. WhatsApp group, please. So the second way to sell on WhatsApp is to create groups where you train people for some days or hours, depending on the way you want to structure it. And then at the end of the training, you offer your product or service to them. It is a great way to make sales. I have used it times without number, and I can tell you from personal experience that it is massive. If you impact them, if you teach them very well, if you offer them something valuable, at the end of the training, you are going to get a lot of people buying your product. That is the way a lot of us make money on the side as we sell our product or service. So what do? First is that you're going to join relevant Facebook groups. Whatever product you want to sell, whatever target audience you have, there's a group on Facebook for that people. So if you want to speak to dog lovers, there are groups on Facebook that are meant for dog lovers. You want to speak to pregnant women, you are going to find lots of groups that are for pregnant women. You want to speak to students, there are so many. There is no kind of target audience you have that you cannot find a group on social media, Facebook, that is meant for them. So you want to join those groups where you are going to see your target audience. Then when you get there, you need to be very active and engage meaningfully. Now you want to position yourself as an expert where you offer them valuable content, answer questions, reach out to them, teach them things they didn't know before now about that product or the situation you are selling or products that are related to. So you want to teach them from time to time, block out an hour or so at the end of every day, go on those groups, engage meaningfully, teach, offer them valuable content that will position you as an expert in the field. There's this way you teach people, you offer value, people begin to look up to what you are, look forward to what you're going to teach them. They look up to you and look forward to your content. They see you as an expert. When they have questions, they reach out to you. So this way they see that you have a lot of knowledge to impact. When they eventually need the product, you are the person they will go to. Now there's this saying that brands that educates more sells the most. And that is absolutely true. You want to educate them more, so you'll be seen as an expert, as an authority. And also when they want to make purchases, they reach out to you because they believe you know what they need. You have solution to their problem just because you've been creating content that are very engaging and useful to them. All right. So the next smart step you need to take is to connect with the admins and moderators of those groups. This is very important. If you want to get attention, you want to build a relationship with the admins and moderators, especially if you're offering valuable content. Every group admin wants the group to grow, wants the group to be engaging, wants the group to be valuable to the target audience. So they are going to be open to connecting with you, where you give them value, teach them. Now, if you are able to connect with them this way, they might allow you to, organize or host a training in their groups. Now, you can imagine the impact of this, where you have to meet your target audience in groups of thousands, millions, and then you speak to them, teach them that product, answer questions, solve problems for them, and then at the end of the session, you pitch your product. You are going to make massive sales. So if you connect with the admins and moderators of the group, it's going to make for easy access to the group. Then another one is to offer free trainings from time to time. I already mentioned that. So whatever thing you are teaching, you are selling, offer training on the topic. Do education-based marketing. It is the smartest way to sell. I mean, you are selling without selling. This way, you don't have to ask people to buy. People actually tell you, beg you to collect their money. Because when people have this feeling that you know my problem, you have the solution to my problem, the next thing is to ask you to please recommend something I can use. Even without you mentioning your product, they're asking you to recommend what they can use to solve the problem you've been discussing. This way, you bring up your product. Now you are not selling. This is them asking you to please collect their money. So you never mention to them to buy, and they are begging you to sell to them. So it's really a smart, sweet way to make sales. Okay, now that you've gotten the attention of the group members, you want to divert them, you want to direct them to your WhatsApp group. Why you need to use WhatsApp group is because it makes for interaction. You are also going to get their contacts. When you get contact of people in your group training, you can always sell to them over and again. You sell, you rinse, you repeat. That is why it's very important. You don't just end it on Facebook. You want to take it down to WhatsApp, where you are going to build a relationship with them, get their contact, and you can sell to them anytime. Not even just that particular product. You can also advance to start selling even more other things that are related to that product. So it's a great way to connect with people and then build a future a relationship that will lead to future sales, right? So now in the cases where those group admins do not want you, do not accept you coming in there to offer training, you can actually pay for adverts. It is a great way to make sales. And I found out from my findings, it doesn't cost much to advertise in most groups. You can get a Facebook group of 1 million members. You have to pay like 2,000 or 3,000 naira just to advertise in a number of days in the group. So you want to, if you want to pay, make the payment if after assessing the group, it is just what you want. Now, before you make the payment to those group admins, you want to make sure that the group is very engaging. There are some groups that are 1 million, but they are not engaging. They are just there spamming content. So you want to make sure it's a very organized group that's very engaging. So if you spend 3,000 to 4,000 advertising in the community, you get up to 250 people sign up for the class. At the end of the class, you want to make up to 60, 70, 100,000 from the sales. And you agree with me that it's really a profitable venture. If you spend 2,000, 3,000, even 5,000 to advertise in a group, and you're able to raise 50 to 60K, it's a profitable business. All right, now that you've gotten them, you've gotten their attention, you've diverted them to your WhatsApp training group. How do you do the group training? The best way to do it is to host a 2 or 3 day training. Now it's actually going to be if it's a 3 day training, the first 2 days is going to be you teaching them, answering questions, opening their eyes to so many things they did not know before now about the situation you want to address. Okay, so that on the third day, which is the last day of the training, would be you teaching your business, you know, offering your product or your service to them for sales. Now, here is how it works. You want to go out there to the internet, go on Google, ask common questions people ask regarding your product or regarding the condition you are solving. If you are providing solution to pregnant women, you want to ask common questions pregnant women asked. So you get the questions, get the answers, and then in your group training, you simply teach that, you know, address the fears, teach them what they do know, and if it's possible, escalate the condition, make it big that they want to solve it immediately. Then at the end of the day, you want to tell them that your product is all they need to solve the problem. So you tell them that your product is what will take them from point A to point B. Paint the pains, let them see the pains, and then you paint the future, which is the pleasure. Then you let them know that your product is what will bridge the gap between the pains, which is where they are at the moment, and the pleasure, which is where they want to be. This way, they would buy from you because they want to solve their problem. And here you are without any form of competition with your anybody. It is just you. You've gotten their attention. You've exposed them to so many things. You've educated them. And now you are telling them that the problem is very dangerous. They need to go immediately for solution so it doesn't escalate. And when they ask you what the solution is, this is your product. So when you position your product as a solution to their problem, you are going to make massive sales. So the first step is to get their attention, get them in the group training or your Facebook or your WhatsApp or contacts, then teach them impacts. You don't just sell without making any changes. Don't just go there, you know, spamming them, sell, buy. No, you want to give them something they did not know before now. Then you introduce your product as a solution to the problem. This way, as soon as you announce that, they are open to making payments, especially if you make it affordable to them. And like I said, also make use of sales strategies that are going to encourage them to buy. It could be a timed offer. In a space of 24 hours, the price is going to be 50% discount. After 24 hours, it returns to the normal price. Or get 2 pieces of this and you get 1 free. Or you buy this one, I'm going to give you this one. So this way, you get their attention. Out of fear of missing out, a lot of them are going to pay for your product. This way, you won't struggle to touch them. And at the end of the day, they still thank you because they didn't see it as you selling to them. They see it as you offering solution to their problem. All right. Now, I hope you got value from this. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. It's just a way of you know, encouraging the videos of the channel, okay? And also, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you give it a thumbs up, YouTube is going to see it as a valuable content and you push it for many more people to see. Remember to also share it with your family and friends. And just in case you need to watch it over again, you can as well watch over and over again to get the whole message contained. I want to believe that you got value from this. Until I come your way in my next video. Bye.